Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to access your HubSpot account if you've lost your authentication code. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for account security, but sometimes losing access can be stressful. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Step 1. Go to the HubSpot login page and enter your email and password as usual. Step 2. When prompted for your authentication code, click on the I don't have my code or Lost your authentication device link. This option will direct you to the account recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. HubSpot may ask you to confirm your identity through your registered email address, phone number, or backup codes you saved when you first set up two-factor authentication. Step 4. Use backup codes if available. If you have previously saved your backup codes, enter one of them to regain access immediately. Step 5. Reset your 2FA method. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to set up a new authentication method. You can choose between an authenticator app, SMS-based codes, or another supported method. Step 6. Confirm your new authentication method. Once you set it up, HubSpot will send a confirmation to ensure everything is working correctly. You can now log in securely with your new code. Always make sure to store your backup codes in a safe place and keep your authentication methods up to date to avoid future lockouts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.